Hi, crafty angels. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm here with a project share for a prompt game I did on my channel on March 18th, 2022. And here are the prompts: bling or beads. Okay. Line or wrapping paper. Q-tip or cotton. Bird or wall cord. Ruler or number. Gnome or birds. And then lavender or gold. And here is my page. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be safe, be kind, be caring, be blessed, be crafty, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.